Artificial satellites are human-made objects that are intentionally placed into orbit around the Earth or other celestial bodies. They are used for various purposes, including communication, weather monitoring, scientific research, navigation, and military surveillance. Artificial satellites can be further classified into different types based on their function and orbit, such as communication satellites, weather satellites, navigation satellites, remote sensing satellites, and reconnaissance satellites. Satellites can be placed into different types of orbit depending on their intended functions and mission requirements. Satellites in geostationary orbit are positioned approximately 35,786 kilometers above the equator. They orbit the Earth at the same rotational speed as the Earth, which allows them to remain fixed relative to a specific location on the ground. Geostationary satellites are primarily used for communication purposes, including television broadcasting, internet connectivity, and telecommunication services. Due to their fixed position, they provide continuous coverage over a specific region. Low Earth orbit is the region of space within a few hundred kilometers above the Earth's surface. Satellites in LEO typically orbit at altitudes ranging from about 160 to 2,000 kilometers, where low Earth orbit satellites have shorter orbital periods and are closer to the Earth compared to other orbit types. They are used for a variety of purposes, including Earth observation, remote sensing, weather monitoring, and scientific research. LEO is also used for satellite constellations to provide global broadband internet coverage. Next, medium Earth orbit, MEO, is an orbit type situated between LEO and GEO, typically ranging from around 2,000 to 36,000 kilometers in altitude. MEO satellites are primarily used for navigation and positioning systems such as the Global Positioning System, GPS. By placing satellites in MEO, they can achieve longer orbital periods than LEO satellites, providing better coverage and accuracy for navigation purposes.